While receiving flack from lawmakers over the timing of her visit at Calaguas and Camarines Norte, Vice President Sara Duterte says her visit in the island highlighted the area, which may help promote its tourism industry. In a press conference on Wednesday, September 25, Duterte says Calaguas Islands needs more visitors as she confirms her visit there.
I'm happy na dahil sa aking pagbisita doon ay na-highlight ang Calaguas Islands. They need more visitors there kasi karamihan sa kanila they depend on tourism na nangyayari lang kapag summer kasi medyo malayo yung boat ride.
Despite this, Duterte maintained she was not at the beach when the House of Representatives was holding budget deliberations at the plenary. According to a report from the Bicol Regional Police Office, Duterte arrived at Calaguas Islands around 9 a.m. on Saturday, September 21 and left at 6:32 a.m. on Monday, September 23. The report also says the Vice President went to Vinzons in Camarines Norte on the same day, arriving at the Palencia docking port at around 8:37 a.m. and leaving for Talisay at 11:25 a.m. on Monday. According to Duterte, the police report is accurate, but she stresses that the House budget hearing was only supposed to start at 10 a.m. on Monday.
6:32 ng Monday, umalis ako doon. Ang budget hearing started 10 a.m. So tama din ako.